you down. Then the ever fight. Your skin charred. Your fats rendered. Your kind exterminated. And I will feed your flesh to the furnace.